guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to create outline text effects. What are you waiting for? Let's dive into Photoshop. Alright guys, in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to add outline text effect in Photoshop. Now the first step to take is you duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Then you click on the first layer. You come to your select subject, click on it. It's loading. It will automatically select the background from the image. Alright, the image is highlighted. Now the next thing you do is you come to your layer marks, click on your layer marks. Now it has selected. Now you want to go to your text, click on your text too. Now for this we use text. Click on it, press Ctrl T. Ctrl T to transform. Okay, this is okay. The next thing you want to do is to duplicate the layer also. Click on Ctrl J for this. Now the copied text, click on it, bring it to the middle behind the selected layer. Then come to the top, the first layer. Right click on it, come to your blend option, click on your blend option. Then the first thing you want to do at your blend option is your fill opacity. You reduce it to 0. Did you just see what happened? You reduce it to 0. After doing that, you come to your stroke. Click on your stroke, set your stroke color. But for this tutorial, I'll be using white. Click on it. Now you can set the size. For this, let's leave it at 15. Click on. Let's leave it at 15. Then make sure it's outside. It's clicked on outside. Click on it. If you're done, click OK. Then now you click on the first text, press Ctrl or Command on your keyboard. Click on the second text. Now you come to this particular place that says link layer. You click on it. Now it has linked the two layers. You can now move it anywhere you want it to go to. Are you seeing how easy it is to create in Photoshop? Alright guys, for more videos like this, follow me on my YouTube channel. I put it to you, if you don't subscribe, you won't get any updates. Till next time, see ya.